everyone. Today I am gonna fly a plane, and this time is different. I'm gonna fly a plane instead of a helicopter. Instead, so I'm in the air. I'm in the air. I'm starting to get good because I'm in the air. Everyone, should I fly to the moon? You want me to fly to the moon? That's it. I'm flying to the moon. I'm at the moon. Oh, I just rode the plane that I built and I won. I ain't flying. I'm just doing some more training, everyone. What just happened? That's it. I'm flying back to Earth. I'm back at Earth. I can fly. It's slowing me down. I'm losing. Plane, get more fuel. You ain't a laser. So try your best. Look, you're flying right now. Can do this. So, should I buy this, everyone? Should I buy this? No. I've got no wins though. I'm nearly there. I made it. Okay. Try your best. Did you think I'm kind of damaged? Keep stopping. Oh, it doesn't have a lot of fuel. That's why. Try your best to complete this. Should I buy this, everyone? Do you want me to buy this? Because I can afford it, but I ain't. I don't want to waste my Robux, because then I have less than 1,000. Because I have more than 1,000. I am not gonna buy you. Sorry, get another family. Oh, this is getting so hard to fly. Are you in the air? He's in the air, but he can't get through. He's flying. I remember trying to fly one of these. I can't go. Let me just claim my gift. What about now? Yes! Gone so far. And I mean so slow. Wow. Max speed is. I want to be 12. 18. My speed I want to be is 8. Speed up, speed up. Everyone say speed up. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. No. That's it. I'm gonna do it. Plane, are you flying? Yes, that's good. How am I meant to do this? I can barely enter on it. I won't buy this. I will not buy a flying carpet because it cost 999 Robux. 1,000 Robux. No, thank you. Oh, fast. I'm gonna try that later. While we do more. And then go through it again. How much better did we get at this in that couple of seconds? Box spin. I want 100 plus speed. That's good and bad. I can't go. I like to run and run. I like to run. I like to run because I'm a runner. I'm actually a flyer, not a runner. Yeah. How much more will I through? My plane is flying in the... I'm just gonna do this, and if I don't like it, I don't like it. I done it, but I ain't gonna collect it, because then I'll lose my speed again. I died like up to there last time I done that, so now I'm flying, and it starts to get strong. Yes, I'm joining the race. I've improved. He's first again. And I'm last again. Oh, I wish I could teleport to end. Yes, flying. Wait a second. I can just buy a pet. Wait a second. Premium is 50+%, and I have 50+% because I'm premium. Thank you, God, for letting me have the 50+%. That just hurt me. Aww. Yeah, I already collected my daily and premium award. So I can't do that. I haven't collected this. Oh, 5 wins. Yes, yes. I'm gonna do this. Maybe red on. I won't buy this because I'll buy this though. I'll have this wins. I got a piggy. Where's Piggy? Hey Piggy, you're from the game Piggy. No. No. Piggy's chasing after me. Well, I'm saving up for a race as well. I'm getting more. I went back to the moon. I'm flying back to Earth. I don't like that place. I'm flying. See, Aww. Okay, if I take a little break, I'm taking a little break while I'm flying. 1 second, I can't take a break. Oh, crash! No. I might buy this stuff. No. hold up. Wait a second. Yeah. I thought that's not. I thought just yes. I'd like to join the ranks now. Because I have a pet. Because I have a friend. One second. My game's glitching. This is taking for ages. Where am I? Did I win? Guess what? That's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!